Hello everybody, my name is Marian and this is a short video about what is in a folder of the output of a Stride project. So here we have an output folder of an empty project, a default one basically, right? One that just presents us with the default, the default sphere and a camera, looking at it. So this one is 100 megs and a bit, and here we can see that these folders, the cache, data, local, and roaming, most of which, except the data, are empty. The data folder is basically the store of all assets compiled into your game that are not code. So here we can see it's just about 6 megs, and I've made a small tool which can show me like exactly what is exactly what is in this folder of data. So here we can see, for example, like the main scene that you usually have, all the different shaders that come with the standard libraries, and etc. So that's 6 megs, right? And then the rest is 100. Here we can see our executable, and well, there is a lot of libraries. So basically, we've got Stride, we've got SharpDX, we've got Bullet, we've got system libraries, right? All of this stuff takes some space. If we just select all of those here, and also you can see like debugging symbols, the PDB files, which you probably don't need when you're releasing actually your game. This accounts for the 100 megabytes, yeah. Then those also are native libraries, which are like 20 megs each. Also, actually, this is 2 megs, and this one is 3 megs. Okay. I thought there was more there, to be honest. Yeah, this one's 20. So depending on your project, you will have more or less native libs to include. So here I have another project of mine that actually was compiled with the native .NET runtime, right? So you can have, like here, in this one, I just had the libraries, the .NET libraries, and the native ones used by Stride. And this is like runtime agnostic. So you can take this, and if you have the runtime installed, you can run it. But now, if you actually want to make this completely portable across any Windows application installation, you need to actually add the native Windows runtime files for the core CLR, and this adds another 100 megs about. We can see here the data is 3 megs. What? Seriously? Okay, like all these things is in total like about 50 megs still. So we've seen like 100 for the libs and then 100 more for the runtime. That's quite a bit, unfortunately. And it can be compressed and it can be lowered probably a bit, but not too much. And then we can actually go and take a look at the Star Beach demo, which is like properly big, The source is 8 gigs here with all the models, etc. And when compiled and compressed, it comes down to 1.4. But again, if we look at just the data, it's 145 gigs, and then you have the libs about 100 megabytes. Yeah. So if you're releasing your game just under x64 platform, for example, you can probably remove this folder and let's see if it runs. It should. Start bridge, where are you? Yeah, there you go. Well, this is more likely to run because I ran it like yesterday. Yeah, there you go. It's running. Yeah. All right. So I just shaved off 20 megs. Yeah, that's not much, to be honest, in this case, right? So yeah, this is what we have in the output folders of a Stride project. Thanks for watching.